got some gloves on because this is really, really hot still. Let's break that open. Look at that, beautiful. Oh man, that's tasty. That's really tasty. So we're going to make tandoori chicken today, but I don't have a tandoor. A tandoor is a deep, like a kind of dustbin. Do you know what I mean? Like a bin, clay, tall oven where you put the chicken in. I don't have one. You don't have one. Pretty much Indian restaurants have them only. But we're going to make this without a barbecue or a tandoor. We're going to do it on the stove top. It is amazing. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so here we go. Gloves on. You're going to see why in a moment. I've got my chicken here. I've got one kg or 2.2 pound chicken. Bone is in, but I've pulled the skin off. I've quartered it. What I've done is I've just cut that down there. You can see I've done the same there, just cut into it a little bit. Right, we're going to make a marination for this. We're going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder, 2 teaspoons cumin, 2 teaspoons turmeric, 2 teaspoons garam masala powder, 2 teaspoons coriander. To that, we're going to add some fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that. We're then going to add 300 grams of plain yogurt. And it helps if you whisk your yogurt. You can just sort of whisk it with a fork just to get the lumps out. Then we're going to go with some food color, a red food color. You can use it in powder form or, like me, in a liquid form. They are all varying strengths. You don't want that much in. Okay, that's why we've got the gloves on. In we go. We're going to really mix this around. What we're going to do next is, once it's all mixed, we're going to cover it with some cling film or plastic wrap, whatever you call that. And we're going to get this in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. Overnight is fabulous. That's what I'm going to be doing. There you go. That's why you wear the gloves. Food coloring, nasty stuff. See you tomorrow. A very good morning to you. So, overnight in the refrigerator for me. Now we've got a pan. You're going to need some sort of pan or skillet. I've got it on a low heat. We're going to grab pieces of our chicken. We've got 4 pieces here, haven't we? Now the reason you need it low is because obviously we're going to take time to cook this chicken. We're just going to really burn it on the outside and it's going to be raw inside. Now this is going to take about 15 minutes, 15 maybe more. We're going to be turning often. I mean, I'm going to turn it in 15 minutes 20 times maybe. I'm going to keep turning it and it's going to start to cook nicely and then we'll get on with the rest of the process. Delicious. Okay, so I've been turning, nice low and slow there. What we're going to do now is we're going to put the heat up to medium now and just go for another 5 minutes. And we're going to be turning even faster now. Okay, so off goes the heat, out comes the chicken. Just set it aside for a moment. Now we've cooked it for long enough, it's cooked now all the way through. Next step. Okay, so now I've got my gas on full blast. Got some of these. What we're going to do is we're going to charcoal, well, it's not really charcoal, is it? But we're going to burn the chicken like this. So keep turning it, get some nice kind of blackening on it. And this chicken is going to taste absolutely divine. Can you see that that's burning up there, getting some little black pieces on it? I'm going to do this for about another couple of minutes, so maybe sort of 3 minutes for each piece of chicken, and then it's done. We can serve. Okay, so we're going to serve this chicken with this little tiny salad very quick. So onion cut into rings or sliced, tomato, I've taken the seeds out of that, cucumber, a little bit of salt, some lemon juice, cilantro or coriander, and here I'm using sumac. If you don't know what sumac is or you don't have it, you could use paprika or chili powder. Super easy and delicious this is to go with the chicken. So the onion's in there, cucumber's right here, tomato is right here, some salt to taste, some lemon juice or lime juice, up to you, a little bit of cilantro or coriander, and then some sumac or, like I say, chili powder or paprika. Little mix, done, delicious. And there you go. We've got tandoori chicken without a tandoor or barbecue, stovetop style. It really is delicious. I hope you enjoyed that. Please keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.